啦，終於等到莫瓦娜翻咗嚟，慶典馬上開始，歡迎大家一齊參加，一起來慶祝吧 ！Come and celebrate with us！ 集合所有村民，庆典馬上開始，莫瓦娜回來了 ！Call the feelings together, the time has come. Moana has returned. Let's the celebration begin. 嚟啦，大家，我哋一齊拍手 ！Everyone, put your hands together. 歡迎各位 ，Welcome fellow voyagers。今日我哋所有村民都嚟到呢度，
大家也聚首一堂，
慶祝同埋歡迎遠道歸來嘅
Welcome home
our very own Moana。
歡迎大家，我哋想你同大家講下你嘅驚險旅程啊！
告訴我們你的所見所聞，
見過啲咩人？
去過什麼地方
？I'd be happy to share my story。
咁就好啦，我哋仲邀請咗全部嘅村民幫手講故事，你哋都會幫手㗎，係咪啊？
大家一起幫忙講故事，好不好？Thank you. It'd be so great and so much fun if you would join in. And now, let's begin. Actually, my story began 1,000 years ago with the demigod Maui. Yes, it is. It born and was like a Maui. Oh, wait a minute. Wait. Stop. This isn't Maui. He's way too small. Maui was big and strong and had these tattoos all over. 你講得啱嘅，Maui 應該要好大隻住，全身都係紋身添。不過而家得佢實扮演 Maui 呢個角色咋。He's just pretending. Got it. Now where was I? Oh right. Maui stole the heart of Tefiti. Maui 偷咗萬物之母 Tefiti 個心，都偷咗 Tefiti 隻知。But others wanted the heart as well. 我係 Tekka，正好地同呢部嘅魔鬼。我都想要佢個心。
我好用鬥狠，仲識變做其他動物，然後 listen，
Maui was clever, a trickster, a shapeshifter who could change himself to escape. Long before I came along. 咁又係嘅，嗰陣時啊，你都未有來出世。Grandma Tawa. Ever since I was a child, I followed the advice of my Grandma Tawa. My ancestors to the sea. Moana, 聽媽媽講，
你要跟隨你自己個心，好似呢個眾仙一樣，向住大海進發啊
！I knew the sea was calling to me, asking me to return the heart and make Tefiti whole again. But how would I get there?
你要跟隨你自己個心啊，莫安娜！個大海會引領你，將 Tefiti 個心還返俾佢。
I'll do it. Even though I've never journeyed past the reef before, how hard could it be?
對你係咪個礁石外面？不過咁樣有點會難得到你啊！
And so my journey began.
莫安娜要出海啦，嚟啦大家，我哋一齊舉起雙手，好似咁樣，一齊舉手做海浪，一起舉手做海浪。Let's make ocean waves together. Come on, together. 仲有海浪聲咧，還有海浪聲。哇！冇錯啦，就係咁啦。
Sounds like, do you? Can you help us? Can you make a sound like Hey Hey? He's a chicken. He clucks. Could I hear it a little louder? Pretty good. Now, you try. How did you get here? Never mind. It's too late now. Hey, get back here right now! Good. Now, which way should I go?
冇啊，應該去邊一邊咧？你哋有冇見到貓會嘅神鈎啊？大家幫下佢啊！冇啊，應該去邊一邊啊
？Should I go this way or that way? That way? Okay, thank you.
就係咁，有大海嘅幫忙，莫安娜終於嚟到馬維個島啦。
Maui? Did you see him, Hey Hey?
Yeah! 我就係馬維，手撕雞。
I am Moana of Matanui. You will board my boat and restore the heart of Tefiti.
我點解要上呢隻船啊
？Because I am Moana of Matanui.
得啦，你啱咪講過啦，咪搞我。不過我需要呢隻船啊，攞嚟，入去啦，多謝晒，拜拜啦，手撕雞。
You will board my boat and restore the heart of Tefiti.
Tefiti 個心啊，我唔會去㗎。
You have to. Hey, hey. Good. Hey, hey. Hey, hey. You swallowed the heart.
你咪咁大想頭啦？知唔知其他妖怪都想搶到我個心㗎？係啦，係 Kakamura，係夜航海盜啊！
Coconut pirates. They're kind of cute.
仲好狼死㗎！小心！
Hold it! Hold it! Stop! Where are the drums?
做乜停咗嘅？
The Kakamora banging on their drums, making so much noise.
我哋一齊嚟扮夜航喺度，一齊嚟咔咔咔咔。
Okay, well, let's try this again from.
啊，仲好狼死㗎！小心！哇！
係而家啦，一齊嚟 ，Let's make some noise！
Hey, hey! Mommy! Hey, hey, at the horn! Make some noise! And this way, come on! Now, will you help me restore the heart of Tefiti?
我係唔會幫你㗎。
But we make a pretty good team. And you'll be a hero.
我係英雄。
莫瓦娜相信個貓兒，只要他幫忙，他就會是英雄。我哋一齊嚟貓兒個名啊！貓兒，貓兒，貓兒，貓兒，貓兒。
好啦，好啦，好啦，好啦。
You're so amazing.
不過首先我要揾翻個魔法神鈎啊！
貓兒一先就陪他的魔法神功。
We climbed a mountain.
我哋跳咗落個大樓。
你都好多怪獸。
And suddenly, we were surrounded by monsters.
嚟啦，大家，我哋一齊做怪獸樣，好似佢咁樣。Now show me your monster faces。哇！
And there he was, atop the glittering mound of treasure, Moe's hook.
係我個神鈎啊！冇咗佢就冇晒法力㗎啦。
That magical hook gave Moe his power.
三啱嘅咧，你哋兩個今次帶我臨頭啦！
Come on. Here, catch this.
我終於攞翻個魔法神鈎啦！
And now, to restore the heart of Tefiti.
好啦，我哋各行各路，再見。
But we have to restore the heart.
我走啦，係你話你有使命還翻個心，唔關我事㗎。
All right then, I'll go alone.
於是莫瓦娜為咗自己一個繼續佢嘅危險旅程，佢哋去 Tefiti 嗰度，眼見嗰度已經變成咗個好可怕嘅火山島。而家佢會有自己一個對付看守住呢個島嘅妖怪。
And I came face to face with a terrifying creature of earth and fire who guarded the island. Tekam. Let her come to me. And Shaka transformed into her original self. Safifi, giver of life.
赤卡終於回復翻佢本來嘅真正面貌，天地萬物之母 Tefiti。其實咧，細路女，你都做得唔錯，
I couldn't have done it without you.
好好照顧自己。我都都而嘅，Moana，
You too. Maui, the demigod.
後會有期。
See you out there, Maui.
我哋一齊再嗌媽會個名啊！媽會，媽會，媽會，媽會。Welcome home，歡迎你翻嚟啊，冇溫啊！
多謝大家參加我哋嘅慶典。
感謝你們參加我們的慶典。
This particular journey of mine has ended, but yours has only just begun. Farewell, fellow voyagers.
雖然 Moana 嘅旅程已經告一段落，但係你哋嘅旅程先至啱啱開始咋。
你們的旅程才剛剛開始哦！再見啦，冒險家！再見啦，朋友！